Good morning, my ninjas. Today we're just gonna do an open fun ride to Marbella. Oh gee, he's red. I think the vice president just ran a red light, but okay. We're a mixed group today. I'm apparently the only biggest bike. Vince is riding his XRM. The vice president's riding his CBR 150. And Al here's got his Avenger 220. And once again, I'm the tip of the, not tip of the spear, the tail of the group. The sweeper, because I'm gonna need that gap to catch up to them, because my engine's gonna be going hot if I slow down. Oh fucking A, man. Like this some bitch. What the hell? They stopped for gas. You okay? After you guys. Triplets. We're just gonna ride today, have some breakfast in the farm, at the farm in Marbella, because it's Sunday and it's a day to ride, and it's the last Sunday of November. What the fuck is happening? What the shit? Whoa. What was that? Bullshit debris. Somebody lost like a wreath. This guy just cutting this other guy. Oh yeah, that's the truck that lost the fucking wreath. Good job. And now he's gonna make an illegal ass U-turn, causing all this traffic. Or maybe he's not, it's just this fucking bulldozer in front of us. This crane, that's right, look at my bike, Mr. Tricycle Passenger. Time to speed up, because my engine temperature is going up. I guess it's these guys who dropped that wreath. What is it, like a funeral procession? Yep, looks like a freaking funeral procession if they're that slow. Come on, let's go. You're not gonna die if you go above the speed limit. Wow, this is a long ass procession. That tricycle usually fucking beside me. Yep, I managed to lose the guys. I gotta catch up to them. And this kind of turning is how you die. Look at this idiot. No, I need that air into my engine, my radiator, or whatever. And I'm caught up. Oh gosh, I hope we're not gonna keep this speed. We're like doing 60, 70. See, small bikes and big bikes can get along just fine. You just gotta agree upon a set speed, and you know, everyone will be happy. Well, I wish I could, you know, we could be riding faster than this, but it's all good. I'm not dying. Not yet, anyways. Anyways, I'll shut up for now and continue with the ride. Biker Bros. Huh? I know, exactly. That's why I sped up. I'm like, there's no rain there, definitely. I had to leave you guys. My phone was exposed, my camera was exposed. I'm like, fuck this. Yeah, you guys go ahead. Okay, an XRM 125 stock going 105 kilometers an hour. What the hell, man? I'm like, holy shit, he's going 110. You want, yeah, you want 110.
It's only the maximum I saw it was about 100.
Yeah, you
maybe 110 because you're accelerating. Maybe.
Yeah, you were like 105-ish. Yeah.
Not bad, eh?
You were like, you were kind of wobbling a bit.
Did you see that on the wave? Yeah.
No, I didn't.
With the lady on it, with his passenger, mind you, I'm as heavy as all of them. If you think about it, it was full blast. But as soon as I seen him coming next to me, I full blast too. He couldn't get away anymore. Did you notice? Yeah. But we were always at that distance of like 10 meters, no?
Yeah.
Is it a Honda Wave or a Mio? What, the pink one? Yeah, the pink one. No, it's a Honda Wave, 125. But the thing is, he's got slick fucking wheels on.
Oh, that's dangerous.
Aerodynamic, right?
Yeah.
So I calculate him and his wife and the kid, he's got maybe another...
Really? They were going that fast with you? 3 people on the bike? Jeez. Yep, just took a break and now we're gearing up and riding again. Jeez, that XRM can move. Oh, clouds. Don't like clouds. It's definitely gonna rain here. Yeah, go ahead. Because, you know, when it's a fun ride, open fun ride, yeah, and it's only a few of us, and there's like big discrepancy in like CCs. Yeah, the small ones go ahead. I'll fix my phone. There you go. Oh, I feel that rain now. Oh no. Oh shit, here it is. That rain is following us, man. It ain't cool. What the? Shit. Shit. Rain. Don't want to get wet again. I got wet the other day. It was horrible. Oh, it's still raining. Come on, we need to get down to here. Come on, let's go. It's coming down on us. Come on, it's raining. Fuck. We need to get down to here, man. Come on. Get the head towards the sun. What the fuck? Stupid tricycle, man. Okay, we're clear. Oh, horrible rain. Look at that shit. Ugh. And we're here. Look at that guy. Yeah. Okay.
These rude bastards.
2 hours later.
Am I recording? Yeah. Fucking rain. It's fucking raining.
Good?
Yeah, we're good.
Bye, have a good time.
Bye, have a great time.
It's fucking raining. Fucking A. And we're done with our brunch and we're heading back, and it's just light rain. Yeah, so we're gonna head back. If it starts to soak through my gloves, I'm stopping, but I'm wearing thin ass pants, so yeah, I might get wet. I'm already getting wet. Yeah, but it'll dry. I think the rain is just over here, so hopefully it clears up ahead. Here we go. Moment of truth to see if we're gonna get wet on the way back. It doesn't look that good.
Oh no. This sucks.
Yeah.
Oh shit, man down. Fucking A. Oh damn. What the fuck happened? Ah, nakita nyo? Ha? May police naman. They're okay. Sinong may kasalanan?
Hindi ko alam, nakita ko pa doon pumunta lang sila din.
Ah,
Ano, nagkasalubungan? Hindi, magkasunod.
tricycle suddenly slowed down. This guy avoided him, ended up there. Yeah.
Because the bicycle slowed down.
Yeah. And he
Being right on the cycle.
yeah, and he clipped the motorcycle, I suppose. Binanggan niya yung tricycle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Motorcycle must have hit the tricycle.
Yeah, and then he went over there.
Come over these.
Yeah, exactly.
So he must be really hurt.
So that guy's fault then.
That's that guy's fault.
Yeah. I don't think so. They just had the helmet.
You know, we need to find a place for coffee.
What?
We need the coffee.
Oh.
Where are you having coffee in Jensen?
Caltex? Yeah. I gotta give you back your change. Oh, come on. We're gonna stay here because we don't want to avoid the rain. Raining in Tupi?
Same, not raining.
Okay.
No reindeer.
Yeah, no rain gear. Oh, he's umihi pala.
Just fucking keep it on, eh?
I'm gonna switch my gloves to my my sacrificial gloves. Come on. If a rock flies on my fingers, it's gonna hurt. But it's raining in Tupi, so I don't want my leather gloves to get wet. Anything leather that's not waterproof gets fucked up in the rain. Here's the rain. Oh, that looks pretty heavy. Shit. My boots is slippery. Okay, well I guess this is about it for my vlog, because I don't want my GoPro to get ruined. Oh gosh, I'll stay out here. I guess we're just gonna chill here for a while until the rain stops. Yeah, hi, have a good time.
One eternity later.
Where's your bike? I'm like, hey, that's a different. Oh, it's an RC. I was like, hey, wait a minute. There's only one here. That's yours, right? Was it the same guy? Was it the same guy?
I don't know, could be obvious.
Okay, okay.
What time is it?
3 o'clock. Maybe they canceled. I doubt it. She was awake when she called me.